the NDA is concerned. In fact, we are also learning that JP Nadda at the moment is currently taking charge as the new health minister. He's also taking charge of the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. And let's quickly, in fact, have a look at what he has to say. But as of now, we can tell you the key message of the NDA has been that of continuity and not a fresh reboot of sorts. As we can see, the major portfolios have been retained by the top four from the Rai Sena. And as far as JP Nadda is concerned, you can see over there he's taking charge of the Health Ministry and Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers as well. He succeeds Mansukh Mandavia, who got the charge of Health Ministry and the same Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers back in the year 2021. And today, as we can see, JP Nadda succeeding Mandavia. Let's quickly go across to Sharon. Sharon, the message is very clear. If you are a hard worker, you will be rewarded.
Well, that's right. And in this case, this is a rerun for Mr. JP Nadda, because this is not the first time that he's made the health minister. We have seen in Modi government 1.0 version, we have seen how JP Nadda at that point of time was, in fact, the union health minister. And interestingly, at that point of time, the MOS was also Anupriya Patel. So this is a repeat of the team that we're seeing in 2014. Now in 2024, after almost about 6 to 7 years, JP Nadda and Anupriya Patel, the team of health ministry, is back in the ministry, and today he is taking charge as the health minister. Already we have seen the MOS, Jadav Pratap Rao from the Shiv Sena is the MOS of the health ministry, and he has also in fact taken charge. And few minutes from now, Anupriya Patel, the NDA ally, will also be taking charge as the MOS health minister. So right now we are seeing that the union health minister, JP Nadda, has in fact taken charge of the ministry, and this is a rerun of what we have seen in 2014. It seems that the team of health ministry is once again back. The 2014 team is back in power again, this time in 2024.
Thank you, Sharon, for bringing all those latest inputs. And with that, it's a quick wrap.